sugar substitutes can have unexpected health risks. One of them is called xylitol, which is a common sugar substitute found in many processed foods and marketed as sugar-free or keto-friendly. A study showed that elevated blood levels of xylitol could increase platelet reactivity, potentially raising the risk of cardiovascular events such as heart attacks and strokes. The research involved healthy volunteers consuming xylitol-sweetened drinks, which resulted in significantly increased platelet clotting tendencies for several hours afterward. This effect was observed even with amounts of xylitol comparable to those found in a single serving of keto-friendly ice cream or a few diabetes-friendly cookies. The findings are particularly concerning for individuals with diabetes, who are already at higher risk for cardiovascular issues and more likely to consume xylitol-containing products regularly. While xylitol in oral care products like toothpaste and mouthwash is still considered safe due to minimal ingestion, its presence in food poses a more significant concern. Unfortunately, identifying xylitol in food products can be challenging, as FDA guidelines don't always require its explicit listing on nutrition labels. Researchers suggest considering natural sugar sources like fruits as a healthier alternative for satisfying sweet cravings. Consumers are encouraged to be mindful of their sugar substitute intake and prioritize whole, natural foods for a balanced and healthy diet.